If you want professional product photos for your fashion e-commerce store without spending on expensive photo shoots, then this video is for you. My name is Janak. I'm here to introduce you to an amazing AI tool called Botika AI. To get started, first go to Google and search for Botika AI. Click on the first link and log in using your Google account. As soon as you log in, you will receive 8 free credits to try it out. Once you are in, you will see 2 boxes. In first box, you can swap the model wearing your product with different model. In the second box, you can upload your product image and have it automatically added to a model. For now, we'll try the model swap feature. First, click on the Start Creating. Upload an image of your product on a model. Next, click and select your desired model. I will select the flame model, but you can pick any model you like. After that, click Next and choose a background. I will go with the studio background. Finally, click Generate, and in just a few minutes, your new image will be ready. While our image is processing, let's check out the Flay Photos feature. First, click on Start Creating again. Upload an image of your clothing item. On the right, upload the image of the matching pants. If you don't have one, you can select the reference image from the option below. After selecting the pants, click Next. This is for men's item, so I will switch to a male model. Select the model you prefer. Then click Next to choose a pose. After selecting a pose, click Next again to choose the background. And finally, click Generate. In just a few minutes, your image will be ready. You can see the final outputs from both features in front of you now. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI tools tutorials, please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated.